Tiny Toons Melodies.
The sky turned gray, the clouds grew loud. Young Leo hid beneath the shroud. With every boom and every flash, he feared the rain would make a splash. His golden mane began to shake. I'm not as brave as I can make. It's okay to tremble, it's okay to cry. When the heavy thunder rolls across the sky, with a gentle hug and a hand to hold, even little lions don't have to be bold. The storm will pass, the sun will peak. Love is the strength that we all seek. The monkey swung down from the tree. Come sit beneath the leaves with me. The elephant brought a giant ear to block the noise and calm the fear. They huddled close in a fuzzy pile until they saw young Leo smile. Lightning stopped, the stars came out. Leo gave a tiny shout. He learned that when the world feels grim, his jungle friends are there for him. A mighty roar, a peaceful rest. Being together is the very best.
Like,
share, and subscribe.